America's employers added a sizzling 517,000 jobs in January, a surprisingly strong gain in the face of the Federal Reserve's aggressive drive to slow growth and tame inflation with higher interest rates. The unemployment rate dipped to 3.4%, the lowest level since 1969. Friday's government report added to the picture of a resilient labor market, with low unemployment, relatively few layoffs and many job openings even as most economists foresee a recession nearing. Though good for workers, employers' steady demand for labor has also helped accelerate wage growth and contributed to high inflation. But the Fed's inflation watchers might be reassured somewhat by January's wage data. Average hourly pay rose 4% last month from a year earlier, slower than the 4.8% year-over-year increase in December. And from December to January, wages rose 0.3%, below the 0.4% increase the previous month. On top of the sizzling job growth it reported for January, the government on Friday also revised up its estimate of employment gains in November and December by a combined 71,000. January's gains were broad-based across industries. A category that includes restaurants and bars added 99,000 jobs. Professional and business services jobs, including bookkeepers and consultants, rose by 82,000. Governments added 74,000, boosted by the end of the worker strike against California's state university system. Healthcare added 58,000 jobs, retailers 30,000. Construction gained 25,000 jobs. Manufacturing added 19,000. Economists, who had collectively estimated that the economy added just 185,000 jobs last month, were caught off guard by the size of the gains. "This is a labor market on heat," said Seema Shah, chief global strategist at Principal Asset Management. It would be difficult, she suggested, to see the Fed stop raising rates and entertain ideas of rate cuts when there is such explosive economic news coming in. The proportion of adults who either had a job or were looking for one, the so-called labor force participation rate, stayed at 62.4%, well below pre-pandemic levels. January's job growth far exceeded December's 260,000 total and extended a streak of powerful hiring gains that raised concerns at the Fed about inflation pressures. The Fed has raised its key rate 8 times since March to try to contain inflation, which hit a 4-decade high last year but has slowed since then.